Chapter 6. Reduce downtime and get more through efficient asset management. Having assets that are in good working order is a key part of the success of any company. Companies who manage their assets with a traditional paper-based system struggle with the simple things like knowing where their assets are, how well and how much they are performing, and keeping on top of their preventive maintenance plan, which can cause unnecessary additional downtime on equipment. Safety Evolution helps decrease downtime by up to 95% by providing the tools that you need to easily manage your assets and avoid the chances of surprise repairs that will cost you and your company both time and money. Digital inspections are completed by the worker in real time, allowing for needed repairs to be automatically identified. The required work is communicated and assigned efficiently for completion with the built-in corrective action workflows. And the ability to capture the relevant data required for you to know exactly what happened in the most convenient way possible. Once the repair is completed, the asset records automatically update and the repair costs are tracked. Business owners can see how assets are performing in real time and where money is being spent in the repair log analytics. For each asset, it is possible to store helpful resources like the user manual, insurance documentation, bill of sale, and certifications, avoiding the risk of this ever being lost or hard to find. In the next chapter, we take a closer look into analytics and how Safety Evolution transforms this from being a complex and time-consuming task into something far easier to manage.